This is lit up by Buckcherry. I'm going to show you every single note of the song. But before we get started, I need to show you some of the tools you're going to need, those being power chords and what I like to call one-finger split chords, so that you can use them to play the verses and choruses. Now, the way you do a power chord is it's basically a two-note chord. So it's also called technically a major dyad. It's not a true chord, but for all practical purposes, everyone calls them power chords. Basically, what you do is you use your first finger on any given string. In this case, I'm using the 3rd fret of the 6th string. And then you bring your 3rd finger to the next string over, 2 frets above it. In this case, my 3rd finger is on the 5th fret on the 5th string. So if you can do that, you're good to go for this song. Now, these are movable chords. As you see, I can move them from one set of strings to the other. And you may recognize that as being the first part of the song. Okay, the other tool you'll need to use is these one-finger split chords. And what I'm doing here is I have my first finger across the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings. And I'm plucking only those strings. And then we're going to use our 2nd and 3rd fingers for other chords. Also split chords. The 2nd finger always being 1 fret above the 1st finger on the 2nd string. 3rd finger always being 2 frets above the 1st finger on the 4th string. So it's going to look like that. In this case, I have my 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the 2nd string and my 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the 4th string. So if we were to put this together, there's our first intro and verse riff to the song, which we're going to explore in the next segment of the video.